So I'm up a bare tree. It's not a pear tree or a bear tree, it's a pine tree. Here are the scratches from the bear. Look at this, amazing. Yeah, I'm about 20 feet up the tree, overlooking these guys.
Hey Tony.
Yeah.
Excuse me.
So there's Pavel. Give us a wave, Pavel. Hello.
Yes. Hi.
Are you going for the big one? That's good. Here's the village down the bottom. You see it? And we're what? Maybe 1,200 meters?
Maybe.
Yeah,
Yes. Over 1,000.
for sure.
Ježiši, Kubo, a co tady ta? Jo, však to říkám. Pojď sem, ale. Ti ukážu.
Tam jich je víc, no.
Ano. Řekni mu, že jsem nahoře úplně.
Nahoře úplně. A jdeš nahoru?